Supercharge Your Reading, combining chunking with active reading. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into an effective way to enhance your reading speed and comprehension. This method combines two powerful strategies, chunking and active reading. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to read English texts more fluently and understand them more deeply. Let's start by briefly revisiting what chunking and active reading are. Chunking is a reading strategy where you group or chunk words together instead of reading word by word. This enables your brain to process information more quickly and efficiently. On the other hand, active reading involves consciously engaging with the text. This could be through predicting, questioning, summarizing, or clarifying points as you read. It helps in better understanding and retaining the information from the text. Now, let's explore how to effectively combine these two strategies. As you chunk words together, actively engage with these chunks of text. This will help you not only read faster but also comprehend the text in a more profound way. Here's a step-by-step process. 1. Read a sentence or paragraph in chunks. Try to group words together that make sense. 2. Ask yourself questions about what you've just read. This could be something as simple as, "What does this mean?" Or, "How does this connect with what I read earlier?" 3. Make predictions about what will come next in the text, based on the chunks you've just read. 4. Summarize the information. After reading a larger section, pause to summarize the key points in your own words. 5. Clarify any confusing points. If something doesn't make sense, go back and reread it, chunking the text differently if necessary. By engaging with the text in this way, you are reading actively, which will help improve your comprehension. Remember, the goal of combining chunking with active reading is to improve both speed and comprehension. Like any skill, it takes time and practice to master. Start with simpler texts and gradually move on to more complex ones as you get more comfortable. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found this video helpful in mastering the technique of combining chunking with active reading. With practice, you'll be reading English texts more quickly and understanding them more deeply. Thanks for watching, and happy reading!